So the axes have not figured out to get into the bottle. So what I did was build a little ramp. It's not perfect, but it stops them from missing the bottle and going in underneath. So hopefully they'll go on there and inside. So let's have a look to see what happens. Um, got the tube coming out as normal, and I've cut a little hole now in the lid and my new handles. There's another one over there, and that one over there. Toys my daughter don't want that makes perfect little handles. Anyways, I digress. So we take some worms, baby guppies. Anyways, so we put it in there. Suck up a bit of water. And use the water to push the worms down. He's hanging around for food. I think they can smell it. Okay, and the worms are in. Let's see if the little axolotls can now figure out to get into the bottle, because it's really getting messy feeding them. So hopefully the little steps that I've made, it's not perfect because I forgot the bottles at an angle when I glued it on there, but it should still work. They can't go in underneath it. So let's hope it works and see if this boykie can get in there. So yeah, feeding them on the ground, it gets messier. I use the tube for my substrate sucker. That's where the substrate Hoover's tube is being reused, so I need to go buy a new one so I can clean the bottom here a bit. Hopefully he turns and goes and sees. Well, the plan is that hope is that he climbs up there and go inside the bottle and have a feast. Now what I can also do is take water again in the tube and squirt it down at a force, and it makes the food really go around there. Whee! And some should go to the front, make it easier for him to find. Well, that's it for now. I'll record if he comes in. Okay, well, a few minutes later, Strawberry is heading in the right direction. If he's actually going to go up there is still a question to be answered. I've not had any luck with the feeding in a bottle idea that most people seem to use. You know, these are very young axes and they've never done it before. But I'm hoping, no, you're not going to get in there. That's the whole problem. He's trying to get to the food from this side. So time to pause again, because I don't want to make the video too long, and start recording if he's close again. Okay, this is looking a bit more promising. Hopefully he doesn't turn again, but he's going up the ramp. If you can just get in there, he'll find the food and gorge a bit, because I think the poor critters are a bit hungry. I'm not sure what Chocolate's doing in the back there, but this is looking very promising. It's turning towards the hole. Are we going to have a winner? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. This is the closest he's come to the entrance so far. No, don't go the other way. Get up there. Come on, you can do it. Oh yeah. Go boy. He's got his head in. I need to extend the ramp a little bit. Next try will go better. After, oh yes. Oh yes. Look at that, he's in. And he can eat. Or she. I'm still not sure what their sex is. But he's got a feast there. Nice. He's eating. Can't really get a good view because of this logo on the bottle, but he's eating. That's great. Silly me, forgot to take the label off the back. Oops. I'll do that when I clean this up later. But yeah, that's the best I've seen them eat so far. Now just gotta get Chocolate to come in and have a meal. But I reckon if I put this here every day in the same spot, they should learn that this is where the food is. There's Chocolate. Come, Chocolate. Come get some food. Nice. Finally. Interesting to see if he gets out of there again. That's fantastic. Now we just need Chocolate to come and eat. Chocolate's a lot bigger than this guy, Strawberry. I'm not sure if it's because Chocolate maybe eats more, or if he's just a bit older. I think it's a male.